everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today we're going to do raspberry chicken tacos. I was lucky enough to get to write a recipe for a cafe to Compote, which is Smart Chicken here in Nebraska. And I got my recipe in the magazine there with a couple other old chaps. So we're going to be doing that dish today. And I will try to leave the link, definitely leave the link to the recipe below, and I will try to figure out how to get the magazine on there so you guys can thumb through the magazine if you want online. We'll get to the ingredients next here on Cooking with Corey. Alright, everybody, our ingredients are as follows today. Some queso fresco, some fresh raspberries, jalapeno, red onion, cabbage, obviously tortillas, we're making tacos, got some apple cider vinegar, going to use some Rich's River Dirt on our chicken thighs, which are right here, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. That's what we're using today. Apple juice, and some good old orange juice. We'll get cooking next here on Cooking with Corey. Can't wait to get this cook going. We'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, now we're going to get into the slaw. I've already done some prep work. We got some jalapenos here. We got 2 cups of cabbage. And we're going to do some red onion. A cup of apple juice, which you can't see. And 3/4 cup of vinegar. But anyway, let's get to it. Alright everybody, welcome back. So we did our knife work. We got our 2 cups of cabbage, our red onion, our jalapeno. What we're going to do, heavy dash of salt. This is our slaw for our taco. 1 cup apple juice. 3/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. We're going to let this brew in the fridge. Let it get nice. Cabbage is going to give up some juice. Everything's going to give up some juice. Going to get a little tender. We'll be back. Alright guys, I deviated from the recipe a little bit. I used a little bit of soy sauce on here. Just gave them a little bath of soy sauce. Now I'm going to use some good old-fashioned Rich's River Dirt on there. Go to the site, West Virginia River Smokers. And you get it there, and I think he's got a new site anyway. I'm just going to give these a bath in this rub, all-purpose rub. Like so. I'll pat that in. What's going to happen here, this is going to go out to the traeger, for a nice little smoke session while our slaw is in the fridge getting delicious and wilted a little bit on us. And next up we'll work on our compote, our raspberry compote. We're going to leave the seeds in it. Raspberry seeds are good for you. If you don't like it, just straight them out. But regardless, out to the traeger we go with this. I'll be back. Alright guys, we're back to make some compote. We've got us a pan, we've got us a wooden spoon, we've got us a cup of water, half a cup of orange juice, give or take, a teaspoon of sugar, and 6-ounce thing of fresh raspberries. So this all goes into the mix, and we'll put this on the stove, and as you go you'll crush and then it'll start breaking down for you. We're going to reduce that to kind of a syrupy consistency, and that's going to be our sauce for our chicken tacos. We'll be back. Alright guys, we're back. It's time to build this taco. So we got our tortilla, which we have obviously heated up in a pan. We are going to add our slaw, our delicious cabbage slaw we worked so hard on, with cabbage, jalapeno, red onion, apple cider vinegar. Delicious. Then we're going to add our chicken, which we have seasoned with Rich's River Dirt and smoked on the traeger. That can go on to our taco, like so. Our compote. We worked hard on our compote. We got our compote ready. Our compote goes on. So, queso fresco, nice little bit of that on the top, like so, and just because, you know, we can, about a raspberry or 2, or 3, or 4. There you guys got it. That's your raspberry chicken taco. It's delicious. It is full of flavor. There's tons of flavor in this, from the queso to the slaw to the heatness of the heat of the jalapeno, a little bit of the sweetness of the onion, and a little bit of sweetness of the cabbage. It's a great dish. Guys, once you make it your own, switch what you want to switch, do what you want to do. It's delicious. I'll see you next time on Cooking with Corey. I appreciate the support. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. If I get off a good time, I'll shoot another vid. I love you guys. We'll see you back next week.